But the very important point here is that zoom tool and hand tool take a lot of time from us for clicking on them, for navigating between them and using them. And navigation is a process that has to happen very quickly, when we are working in real world projects. And that's why we mostly actually use those shortcuts options that we have to these navigation tools. And how those shortcuts are is, as I say, we have Control plus, so you press Control and the plus from your keyboard in order to zoom in, as you see. We have Control minus in order to zoom out, so Control plus, Control minus. We have Control 0 to get back to the default view and have the entire of our project viewable over here. So it is Control 0. So again, we have Control plus, Control minus, and Control 0. And when we are zooming, we also have hand. So what the space bar on the keyboard. So what this space bar will do for us is that we will hold it, and while we are holding it, it will change our selected tool, whatever the tool is, to hand until we unhold the space bar. So whenever we unhold the space bar, we will be back to whatever tool we were using beforehand. So that is very cool. That is also about temporarily changing whatever tool that we are using to hand. And again, we can unhold it, as you see, and by unholding the scroll bar, the hand will disappear, just like that. Because this is a temporary, what we call shortcut to this hand tool. So this is it. You can practice with them in order to get professional with navigating, because navigation is a very important thing when it comes to becoming professional in the software, because you need to navigate easily and navigate fast without destroying any part of your project. So you need to also do it safe. And these are the options that we have for navigation. As I said, we have Control minus for zoom out, Control plus for zoom in, the space bar for temporary hand tool. You need to hold the space bar. And we have Control 0 for getting back to the default view, what you may call, or this having the entire project as you see inside our view section. So that's it with navigation inside Adobe Photoshop. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.